Alan, we've seen results from Shell for the first quarter, along with several other big oil companies. After the crash in oil prices, everybody's been following these results very closely. What have we learned so far?
From the big integrated oil companies, we found that the big integrated oil model works very well. That's where you balance your upstream oil and gas extraction with a refining and marketing business that takes advantage of lower oil prices.
Right.
So that's been good for Shell this time around. The first quarter results have come out. About 80% of the earnings this time came from refining and marketing.
Now, we are Lex columnists, which means we are able to find the lead lining in any silver cloud.
That's right.
So what is the lead lining in the case of Shell this quarter?
Okay, I found some lead. It wasn't hard. They've had problems in the Americas upstream division.
So extracting oil.
Extracting the oil and gas.
Americas.
Okay, they lost money in this quarter, about $1 billion. They lost money in the last quarter, in the fourth quarter of last year. That's two in a row. It looks as though some of the problems are foreign exchange related, but a significant amount, about 40% in this quarter, was due to probably issues with their unconventional production.
Right.
That's shale, oil sands.
Because gas prices are low too.
And gas prices are low, and they do have a significant amount of gas production in the United States.
So what can Shell do about these American problems?
One thing they seem to have done, they must have thought about this a little bit, was buy BG Group. BG Group will help smooth out a sort of little soft period anyway in their production profile for the next few years, and they admit to that freely.
And that's also American production as well.
Well, overall in the world, but in the Americas specifically, BG has a significant Brazilian position. Now, Shell has something called Libra, which hasn't really got going yet. They haven't done a final decision on it, but BG is producing oil there with Petrobras, and already, today that would add a sixth to the Americas production. It would make a difference, and that production will probably grow over time. So that's going to help Shell's problem in
so
the Americas.
Seems like the stool has three legs. Have a big refining business, and maybe it's two legs. You have a big refining business, buy counter-cyclically. Third leg, have a strong balance sheet.
Yeah, well, definitely
so
have a
balance
strong
sheet, ability to acquire,
Yeah.
refining business, that's
right.
the key right now in oil.
Yeah.
Thanks, Alan.
Yeah.